making money from home, making money with your phone, and making money daily is something that has always been your wildest dream, if it's something that you have always desired, then this is the right time to follow us. This is the right time to join this moving train called ClickSense. Yes, ClickSense. That is just the name. And ClickSense is going to be one of the biggest platforms that you have ever come across in the internet space. Anything online marketing. I'm not sure that there has been anything like ClickSense. It's really going to be huge, and it is launching in June 28th. Please keep the date. Feel very free to book a slot with me now, because you know how it is. The moment these platforms are launching, if you are privileged, if you are opportune to be among the first partakers, you are going to gain massively. You are going to gain a lot. One thing about this ClickSense is that is going to really open so many doors for people that are looking for how to make money from the internet space, how to make money from the online space. So if you're an influencer, if you're a TikToker, first of all, you'll be paid for the videos you make. No cap. You'll be paid for the videos you make. 1,000 views is 1,000 naira. You know, in ClickSense, our exchange rate is 1,000 naira to $1. So when you have 1,000, when you post videos about ClickSense and you're able to get 1,000 views, you are getting $1. But for the sake of those people that might get bigger views, we won't be paying for just the 1,000 views. You will leave the video until it gets to 5,000 views. That's the mark. So when your video gets 5,000 views, you submit it, and you'll be paid your $5 for your 5,000 views. Like I said, the reason we're doing it like that is because when you get 1,000 views and you put it for payment, when you are being paid in $1, even if that video grows and you end up getting 200,000 views, you won't get money from it again, because it's once payment per video. So that's why we left it that allow your video to run till it gets to 5,000. Then we can pay you for the 5,000 views. That's for TikTok influencers. So someone will be asking, how much do we sell? How much is the coupon code for ClickSense? It is $6. That is 6,000 naira. And immediately you register, you're going to get a cashback. Yes, you're going to get a cashback of $4. That's 4,000 naira. But unlike other platforms where your cashback is withdrawn when it has gotten to the minimum withdrawal amount, ClickSense is not like that. You must have gotten some amount of referrals before you can withdraw your cashback. Okay, what is the minimum withdrawal amount? It's $10. For people doing affiliates, your minimum withdrawal amount is $10. And the truth is that ClickSense has so many things to offer. In my next video, after this one, I'm going to put the link somewhere. You'll see many things, many features of ClickSense. This is just an introductory video, just to introduce ClickSense to you, just for you to know that this is something huge that is about to hit the online space. So I would urge you to book a slot with me now that you can, so that we can make this money together. I hope you are going to ClickSense with me. Bye.